What's going on, guys? Oh man, it is not a good day. Oh man, this trip has just been one thing right after another, I guess. I'm gonna put this video out before this actual trip comes out, but this is the trip that was from Indiana to Corpus Christi, and y'all will see in that video that I had some damage. One of the stabilizer jacks on the back, I guess I hit some debris or something in the road and it bent it. I don't know yet if I'm gonna have to pay for it. I'm pretty sure I am. They said that they got 90 days to file the claim and then they would let me know. So that will come out of my bond. And then so I started working my way back home, and right now I'm in Hammond, Louisiana. I got here about 8:15. It is now, let's see, it's now 3:20 in the morning, and I'm broke down. Pulled in here to get my truck washed, try to get all the bugs and stuff off of it, and truck was running good, strong, and so I pulled up, got the truck washed, cut it off, cranked it back up, pulled around to the fuel island. Gonna run inside and use the bathroom real quick, and apparently the power had been out, so they had the doors and stuff locked. So I turned around, walked back to the truck. As I was walking back, I noticed the truck it sort of rev up a little bit, die down, rev up a little bit, die down. And then so I got in it, put it in drive, and I went about 5 feet and it shut off, and it will not start back. It'll turn over, but it won't start back. I've tried priming it. I have changed the fuel filter and all that stuff, and I even sprayed ether up in it, and it won't fire. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm hoping and praying that it's not that CP4 pump. Whenever I changed fuel filter, I didn't find no metal or anything in it. I still got that pump. When I get home, I'm gonna try my best to take it apart and everything, but I don't know. I will tell you this. I got some good friends. I got some damn good friends. My buddy James, his truck's broke down. He just got towed back from Nebraska. We're thinking it's the pump or the sending unit, whatever, for the DEF tank, because it was derating him. And if his truck would have been running, he would have run to my house, got my trailer, and came back here and got me. About 320 miles from home, but my buddy C Farmer, I want to give him a shout out. Guys, if you have not subscribed to his channel, go check his channel out. He also has a members only the site, and go check that out too. Support him. He has a bunch of content that comes out on that members only site before it even hits YouTube, if it even makes YouTube. But he hooked up to his gooseneck, and he's on his way down here right now. He told me he'll drive as far as he can before because he's been up all day, guys. And then we're gonna load it up on his trailer and tow it back to my house. And then I guess try to figure it out from there. I don't know. But I don't know. It turned over, but like I said, it won't start. So I don't know, guys. Like I've always said, it's not if it happens, it's when it happens. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just hoping and praying it's not the CP4 pump, and hopefully it's something simple, maybe a sensor, crank sensor or something like that. I've done checked the fuel pump relay. I've done checked all the fuses, ECM fuses, all that stuff. I don't know. It's almost like it's not getting fuel. So whenever he gets here, I think we're gonna try to hook it up to his all-tail and maybe see, while I'm turning it over, maybe it'll show how much fuel pressure it's getting. My edge gauge, it won't stay on long enough to test it while I'm trying to crank it. I did have a code. It came up high fuel rail pressure, or fuel rail pressure high. I've gotten that code before. Fuel rail pressure high, fuel rail pressure low, and but this time it was the code for fuel rail pressure high. I cleared that code, but still nothing. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and post this one, and I'll probably be doing a separate video. C-Farmer will probably be doing a video as well of loading the truck up and maybe trying to figure out what it is. I don't know. I don't know. I just hope I can figure it out. Like I said, hopefully it ain't nothing too expensive. So anyway, guys, if y'all don't mind, I don't normally ask for much, but guys, y'all keep me in y'all's prayers. Guys, keep C-Farmer in your prayers too, as he's driving down here and everything, and hope we can get back home safely without any more problems. But I don't know. Guys, I guess I'll get back with y'all after a while. I'm basically parked right here, sort of in the, I'm out of the way, but I'm still in the way. Y'all know how on like Petros, you got the fuel desk building, and then you got fuel islands on both sides. Well, I'm right behind that building. The way these pumps are sort of set up, they're sort of at an angle, so I just hope nobody comes by and nails me. I've tried to get a couple of bobtails to see if they might pull me over into the front parking lot where the cars are, but they all tell me that they're not allowed to, and I understand. I completely understand that as a company, for a company driver. Maybe I'll find a hot excuse me. Maybe I'll find a hot shot truck or something. Maybe if I see one waking up or something, maybe I might run over and ask him, see if he might mind disconnecting from his trailer and pulling me over. I don't know. I just know here in just a little bit it's going to get busy around here. So, but at least, you know, part of me thinks that if I just kept on going, wouldn't stop, got the truck washed, maybe it would have been fine. But at the same time, I could be sitting on the side of the road. So I don't know if something happened during the truck wash, if they, which I mean, I watched them, and I mean, I don't know, but I don't know what's going on. But at least I'm here in a safe location. I see a Days Inn over there down the road, but you guys, it is hot out here, hot and muggy. But I'm not leaving my truck. The security driving down around through here, he's been real nice. He hasn't tried to make me move or anything like that. But like I said, I don't want to leave the truck because I'm afraid I might come back and be gone. They done towed it. Or being right here in Hammond, I might come back and the thing might have done been broken into. So I'm not leaving my truck. I got too much stuff in here. Even though I can lock it up, I'm not leaving it. So guys, if y'all don't mind, hit that like, share, subscribe button, and whenever old Sea Farmer gets here, then I guess I'll get back on here and make another video. As always, y'all be safe. Semper Fi.